see how she's kind of sniffing a little bit? Those are all signs that at least she's a little bit curious. Ooh, there we go. Very good. Good job. Lots of playing from these guys. They're a great match together. So just helping Sully out because he's not doing too hard of biting, but he was latching a little bit. So just helping him with that bite inhibition piece is really important. Very good. So you can see how kind of Rosie runs away a little bit, making sure that Sully is respecting that brief break that Rosie does is really important. So if I hold Sully back, you can see Rosie's not coming right back in initially, and that's okay. She's giving herself a break. And then she comes back in, and she wants to play. Yes, or at least engage. Good job. Yeah. Is Sully part Westie?
He's a Westie doodle.
Yeah. I definitely see the Westie in him.
Wow.
Westies are usually super confident little things.
Yeah, they are.
Poodle, right? That's a difference. So what?
Well, so what could be anything? Poodle Westie.
Yes, a poodle Westie, but he was mixed with miniatures. Doodle.
Right. Oh, interesting. So is there an abbreviated name for the breed?
I just say it was a Westie,
Good job.
Westie doodle. But
Because
it's
I
a
know
Westie
a Wheaten
poo.
Terrier. Oh, okay, I was wondering.
Westie poo.
Right. Yeah, I see why you say Westie.
Yeah.
Because a Wheaten Terrier poodle is a poodle.
Yeah, good shake. Good
They've
shake.
come up
There
with
we
all these
go.
new names. Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. So all that's fine. Rosie's really gotten great at taking those little breaks, which is super important.
Sully not so
So,
much.
so that our puppies
Wow.
are able to keep making good decisions. And yeah, that's something that comes with time too, right?
Yeah.
And we help facilitate that. So I can also just pick Sully up, give him a minute.
Rosie's also older.
Yeah.
Rosie's 7 months.
Yeah.
Boy.
It's a big
Sometimes we
age
just
difference.
need to turn around. Good job. I know. I know.
No, I want to play.
Yeah, there we go.